In this lesson, we will be investigating perpendicular sides. If we look at the picture on the side here, we can describe the sides using a few different words. So this line here and this line here are horizontal. So that describes the direction that they move. I like to think of horizontal as going the same way as the horizon, which would be the line that you see if you look outside where the land meets the sky. The side edges here are vertical, so they go up and down. We say that a horizontal edge and a vertical edge are perpendicular. That is, these edges form a right angle. So a right angle is when we can take a square and put it into the corner, and it's going to fit into that corner perfectly. When two sides of any shape intersect to make a right angle, we say that the sides are perpendicular. So these shapes here all have right angles in the corners, and you can see that we've drawn this little square to show us which ones are perpendicular. And so if we look at this last one here, it has two at the bottom, but these two are not perpendicular. I couldn't fit a square perfectly into that corner, so I can't label that as a right angle. This shape here has 6 sides, and the 6-sided shape is called a hexagon. And so in it, we have a collection of right angles. So we have these two at the top. This angle D is also a right angle. Here's a right angle. Here's a right angle. Now, this one could be called a right angle, but typically we measure the angle inside the shape, not outside the shape. So measure inside the shape would be much bigger. So we can use a corner of a square to check if the sides are perpendicular. So if I put those two a square into the corner, it'll tell me if it's perpendicular. And if I look here, I can see that I have lots of perpendicular lines. So I have some practice questions here for you to decide which are perpendicular lines in any of these shapes. Some of them will have 1 set, 2 sets, no sets. So try it out. And there is an additional at home that you can do if you have some of those things available to you.